Hello everyone, welcome back to the OpenShift BootCamp series. In this video, you will learn the OpenShift installation methods. Please check the OpenShift BootCamp playlist if you missed any of the videos in this series. Primarily, there are two types of installation methods available for installing OpenShift. Depending on your infrastructure type, customer requirements, etc., you can choose either one of those. Please note, we are talking about the customer managed OpenShift platform installation here. If you need to offload the OpenShift installation and maintenance headaches, then you can go for hosted OpenShift clusters. We have a detailed video on hosted OpenShift clusters and find it in the video description. With the installation provisioned infrastructure or IPI method, the OpenShift installer will take care of provisioning and configuring the resources in a cloud or virtualization platform. You need to input the details about the cluster nodes, network, the credential for virtualization or cloud platform, etc. This method is easy and pretty straightforward as long as you have appropriate access to the cloud or virtualization platform. On the other hand, if you need to customize your cluster nodes, networking and other configuration, then you can go for user provisioned infrastructure or UPI method. In this method, you can use your pre-existing infrastructure such as virtual machines, network or disk. The OpenShift installer will take care of OpenShift components and configurations only. This method is useful when you need strict customization or the infrastructure is not supporting full automated installation. Here you can see the difference between installer provisioned infrastructure and user provisioned infrastructure methods. As I explained earlier, in the IPI method, each and every resources will be provisioned and configured by the installer, including control plane nodes, compute nodes, operating system, storage, and networking. In the UPI method, users need to take care of the cloud resources for control plane nodes, but the operating system will be under installer management. For example, RHEL Core OS. For worker nodes, cloud resources and operating systems will be under user management. Then, remaining items for the OpenShift cluster will be handled by the OpenShift installer. You can install OpenShift on most of the cloud and virtualization platform as listed here, including AWS, GCP, Azure, Red Hat Virtualization, Red Hat OpenStack, IBM platforms, and other bare metal platforms. For the supported and configurable options for the IPI method, see the tables on OpenShift documentation, which will help you to decide the architecture and installation method. Same goes for the UPI method. You can refer to the official documentation to see the supported options. That's all for the OpenShift installation methods. Stay tuned for the upcoming OpenShift BootCamp videos and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get all the latest videos and other courses. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video.